Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas-equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles.
Look at all those dandelions. A lawn with that many little gold imperfections could mean back strain from bending, sore knees from kneeling, or a whole lot of toxic herbicide. But not with our weeders. Whether you have a lot of invasive plants in your yard or just a few, our innovative weeders make removing weeds almost effortless. Simply position the head over a weed and step down on the foot platform to drive the serrated claws into the ground and give that pesky little invader a hug. Pull back and the claws will grab the weed and its roots and pull it cleanly from the soil. Then eject the weed from the claws with one simple motion. Just like that, you're done. When it's this easy, you may find yourself weeding every lawn in the neighborhood.
Want to get your seedlings off to a great start? The Jumpstart Germination Station from Hydrofarm improves germination rates and keeps your seedlings protected in a warm and humid environment, so you can start gardening earlier in the year with greater seed starting success. The Germination Station has a sturdy watertight base tray which holds 72 seed starting plugs, or your preferred growing media, a UL-listed waterproof heat mat, and a patented design 2-inch clear humidity dome. Once you've planted your seeds in the tray, add a little water and place the tray on the heat mat, which will warm up the station in no time, improving germination success. Then cover with the clear humidity dome, which features 3 adjustable vents, one on top and one on either end, to control the humidity levels and provide optimal airflow. When you use the germination station, it really is that simple. Just add water, sit back, and watch them grow. Get growing with Hydrofarm, your year-round gardening experts.
The Vivier Double Cotton Hammock and Stand Combination, a classic combo designed to travel with you for relaxation on the go. All Vivier combo hammocks are packaged tightly to protect the hammock, stand, and hardware. We also inspect all of our combos for quality before shipping. This particular combo assembles in under 5 minutes with no tools required, and the space-saving design allows you to place your new combo anywhere. Relax alone or with a friend. This combo easily fits 2 people up to 450 pounds. It's made of 100% breathable cotton that's tightly woven together. With new polyester end strings, your hammock is built to last and still easily adjustable to suit your height. It sits on a heavy-duty, powder-coated steel stand. The zinc-coated legs prevent rust, and the rubber end caps protect your deck when moving. And it all fits in this upgraded carry bag with leather stitching. Where will you be hammocking to next?
Just as our health and well-being depends on vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and proteins, plants, of all types, need proper nutrients for healthy growth. Our soil test kits allow you to make sure that your soil has the proper and specific ratios of pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, the 4 most important variables for healthy soil. We understand that not everyone is a botanist, and that's why each test contains detailed step-by-step instructions. Our kits utilize a proprietary capsule system that has been proven to deliver extremely accurate results. So whether you are using our digital or our analog kits, you can be sure that when your test is complete, you are viewing easy-to-read and accurate results. Easy to read because of our patented color comparison meters, and accurate because we offer the latest advancements in consumer soil testing, as seen with the 1605 model. Based outside of Chicago, we are proud that all of our soil test kits are designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA. Understanding the makeup of your soil is just the beginning. Our kits come with detailed information about how to balance your soil. Want plants to look like this? A garden like this? How about vegetables like these? Rapid Test Soil Kits are here to help.
Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX 3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive Total Stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX 3000 comes equipped with 5 Quick Connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX 3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX 3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.